My dad just came in here and woke me up and said that he thinks we need to change the flight to it being earlier. So we're up earlier. Okay, it's time to do my skincare. I'll go grab my ice and then I'll wash my face. Let's go. Let me put on a different shirt. Give us a Korean heart.
Make some memories.
Oh. Two. Big heart.
Big heart.
I'm so proud. They are playing K-pop at Starbucks. We made it. We are here.
It is 5. It's 4:54.
Really, wow. Feels like it's like beyond numbers. When we find inspo, we apply it.
Where do you keep coming closer? I need my space.
Come over here. Get in my pocket.
I don't want to. There's stuff on your booty too. Why did you put it in my face? I'm gonna sprinkle word. Okay.
Let's do some squats.
You hear that? That was so loud. What just popped?
My hip. We made it in LA. I'm so tired and I cannot wait to sleep on the plane. I'm going to study some Korean possibly, definitely journal. We were going to have a layover in Seattle, but everything got changed, and with our COVID tests, the time was about to run out, so we had to switch the flight to earlier. We had to head over here as fast as we could.
I just texted you and I mean it. Have you tried these? They're amazing.
Check one for lost item.
Let me see them. Those are so good. What are you talking for, huh?
Yourself.
So good. I need food flavoring like that.
Sick. I can smell it still.
You guys need to eat these. I meant drink them and swish it around in your mouth so you can get the official flavor and texture. So good.
It's not good.
Holy smokes.
Talk to you.
Look.
안녕하십니까.
Hello.
항공에서 면세 통보에 안내 말씀드리겠습니다.
Hi, how are you? I'm sitting in an airport.
Gate 132, LKW Duty Island.
So interested. He is so Don't believe it.
좌석 벨트 사인을 찾으면 벨트를 매주시고 끌 때는 덮개를 올려주세요. 손잡이에 돌리거나 올려서 열어주세요.
here. Sus. All right. Oh, we got through a lot. And I wasn't able to record in there, but now we are going to grab our checked bags. We're in our little area getting ready to be sent out. This is so lovely. Okay, so you stretch out your neck. Goes down your back. And then you give them a wink. We're about to go to our quarantine facility and we get to quarantine together, so that's gonna be good. I have my little quarantine friend. Ooh, some cuties up there. What's going on? We're in our shuttle, our bus, and we loaded up our stuff. It was so cold. Can you hear my teeth still chattering? Party bus. We made it.
This has actually been kind of major.
It's been a wild one. Oh, look at us. We get like a double king size bed.
There's the one pillow. I get it.
My goodness. Is this our
Mom's
bath?
cleaning the pillow.
Stop. What is this?
Oh.
How do I turn on the light? Here, wait.
I didn't turn it on. I turned it off.
Let me grab my flashlight. I just want to look at the
No.
bath.
I need like.
Anyways. But look how cute. It's like a little box. And look at this toilet. It's so fancy. I've never seen one as beautiful as this.
I just want to go to sleep so bad.
And look at this.
I get the bed that's made with the pillow. You can have this.
Look at all of our cute goodies. Okay, it's time to do an unboxing. All right, guys. I'll be back. In a crisis in life and nothing is working, all you can do is unbox.
I mean, the toilet doesn't work. The lights don't work.
Let's see if this one works.
There's one bed. There's one bed for me. Craig, you get bedding.
I don't get blankets or a pillow.
No. Cleansing, bidet, whole saving.
What the heck?
I know, this is pretty exciting over here. But, you know, like I said, nothing's working.
Since none of the lights are working, I have this light, my flashlight. I wanted to show you what I got from the desk down below. So, they gave us a jin ramyeon, a kicker bar. We all need a kicker bar in our lives. Ow! My neck's having a spasm. I think it's really time to do my skincare and go to bed. Uyu. Original. I was reading original and then I read the Korean word above it and it said original. The differences. So original is American and original is Korean. You see the differences? Can you hear it? It sounds really good. Like I feel pretty fluent right now. Original. Did you hear that? The O and E. Original. Hand sanitizer gel.
I'm just trying to figure out what the information rules are on quarantine, but it's all in
Korean.
Hangul, so I'm gonna need some help, Korea.
It says network is not stable.
Oh.
Neither are we.
Anyway, I'm gonna find this right now. What you looking for? Space. You don't get any now.
Okay, let's see the view, Mom. Water? Look how much water we have.
That's
Look
a
at it.
relief. That is a
Show.
big bonus. Do I like zoom?
No, are you showing it? Can they see the water?
No, I'm not showing the water. Sassmaster disaster, okay?
Okay, it's time to open the window. actually a good view.
No, it's a good view.
It is pretty good. I thought we were gonna be staring at like
Blocks.
yeah. I just called them and she asked if our room key was inserted.
There's light.
And now we can actually see without having to use the flashlight to show my airport oils on my forehead. We have some more presents. Do we have a barf bag?
No.
Just what you needed?
Is it a supersized one? Barf bag. We know after this day of my life that I need a big size,
these.
oversized one.
She can pack these
And
barf
it
bags.
needs to say that on it. Oh.
This thing made a sound and it said there's food out here. Let's see what they are. Here's yours, Mom. We have our lunch boxes for breakfast. A little chocolate cake in our lunch box. This consists of eggs, I think potato, a little sausage, some rice, some fries, strawberry, and 2 oranges. Wow. I'm gonna make my TikTok. Prop it up here. What is going on? You wanna try one?
Just a little bit different.
Here.
No.
Try a bite. It's a part of the quarantine meal.
Oh my gosh, that's so gross.
Really? I'm gonna try a bite.
Oh, it's like a deep fried, greasy, cold fry.
I'm going to be finishing up the vlog today. I'm about to do a little workout. I'll probably record a little bit of that. I'm gonna try to make it a bit more of a productive kind of day. So, on to the workout. Let's set up right here. This is my yoga mat. We only have one towel to shower here. And I don't have a yoga mat with me. So we're making do with this. I've heard that the Daisy Keach quarantine abs 8-minute workout is really good, so I'm going to try that. You bonked your head this morning.
Oh my god. This is scary.
Public safety alert, question mark? Story time.